welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my update for Face the Music. This is a painting project that is within the Fantastic Ladies Facebook group that I created with my friend Misty. It is all about different songs. There are a couple of artists in there, but it's mostly songs from like all different genres, languages, you name it, it's in there. I think we have well over 300 prompts right now. We do get people adding some in here or there in like the comments. If they come up with a song and a prompt and it works, it hasn't already been put in, then I will put it into our little spreadsheet. This project is not designed for all prompts to be done. It is just, it's impossible to get that many done because it's a lot and it's growing every single day. So I do this completely random. You can pick as many or as few as you want. I think I usually have like 5 or 6 or something. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. I'm doing 6 at a time. And yeah, I'm enjoying it. I love music. I grew up loving music. I will always love music. Music is one of those things that it just can like transcend everything. It takes you to a different time and a place. It can change your mood. I just absolutely adore music, and that is why I have created this project with Misty. So I do actually have 2 rollouts this update, and I'm very happy about that. And I will be bringing in 2 new songs and prompts and products. This project is a year long. It started on December 12th of 2023 and will go till December 11th of this year. And if there is interest, it will be coming back for another round. I love it. I absolutely love doing this project. So let's get into this update. So my first rollout, they were actually, both my rollouts were goals met. I did not have these in to finish. These were just to get usage on, and these were not going to be anything that I was going to attempt to use up this year. They were both lip products that were really, they're not my color. So the first one is Don't You Want Me, and that is a product on the chopping block. For me, being on the chopping block is kind of relative because there's not many things that I would declutter. So it's something that I'm not in love with, that if someone wanted it, I would offer it in a heartbeat because it is just not my thing. It is the Coastal Scents lipstick in LS07. It does not have a real name. It just has a number, and it's concealer lips. It is definitely not a shade that looks good on me. I tend to wear it with other things, and that is how I used it. If I needed to like lighten a look that I had, it was just a little too dark, I would put this over it and kind of tone it down a little bit. That's what this one is going to be good for. I wanted to use it 10 times. I was able to do that, and this one is now rolling out. The next prompt that is rolling out is Just a Kiss. I love that song. Every time I think of it, it gets stuck in my head, and that calls for a lip product. So I brought in the Natasha Denona I Need a Rouge lip crayon in the shade Amelia. I do actually have it on my lips today with some other things, and my goal is to use this 5 times, and I used it my 5th time today so that I could roll it out. It is a beautiful shade. It is just not the shade of red that really works for my skin tone, and I'm not a big red lip person to begin with, but this is just, as pretty as it is just not right for my olive skin tone. So I do wear it periodically, but I usually will adjust it a little bit. So those 2 are rolling out. I will be rolling 2 new things in, but let's go over the things that are continuing on. The first one is Sweet Dreams Are Made of This, and that is a product used before bedtime. I have the Rose Inc Eye Revival Brightening Eye Cream. I actually really enjoy this, and I'm making amazing progress. I'm finally down here at this blue line. I think probably the next update I can have this done. If it's not done by the next update, it's going to be very, very close. And yeah, I'm very excited that progress that I'm making on that one. Next up is Umbrella, and that is a rain or water themed product. I have Bare Minerals Mineral Eyeshadow in Water Lily. I don't think I've used this since the last update. I have a lot of purples that I am working on right now, and this one has kind of been put on the back burner. I need to get it in a makeup basket so that I can actually get some progress on it. And then I have 2 prompts from this palette. The first one is Born to Be Wild. That is a wild color or animal theme product. You can see all of like the animal theming here. And then the other prompt was Welcome to the Jungle, and that is a jungle theme or color. And once again, it kind of has it all right there in the packaging. So for Born to Be Wild, I chose the like light silvery blue down here to use 10 times. I have used it twice now. And then for Welcome to the Jungle, I chose this light teal up here, or this teal shimmer. I have not had a chance to use it. I really need to get this palette into a makeup basket, and hopefully I will be able to get some uses on it then. But as of right now, this one is going to stay in. I used Wheel of Names to pick 2 new prompts so I could find 2 new products, and I'm going to put the screen grab of me rolling right here. The first song that I got was Crazy Train, which I absolutely love that song. That has been in my life for many a year, and it's just one of those iconic songs to me. And Crazy Train is something you were crazy for buying. I am going to be bringing in the TG Bedhead Control Freak Hair Serum. I'm crazy for buying this because I wear my hair curly a lot, and this is one of those for like frizz control, which is great, and straightening your hair, which I don't do frequently. I know I did it last week, or was it the week before? I can't keep track of it all now, but I don't do it very often. So I've had this around forever. So I'm hoping by putting it in here, maybe I'll spend a little bit more time on my hair, straighten it every now and again, and get this used up. My goal is to actually finish this. And the second prompt that I got is Bye Bye Bye, and that is a product that is almost gone. It's almost absurd to bring this in, but I'm going to do it anyway. This is a Franken highlighter. I want to say I made this like 2 years ago, and I never did finish it. There's hardly anything in there. I think probably like 4 or 5 uses and I can have this done. But I mean, it absolutely fits this prompt of a product that is almost gone. And then I can say bye, bye, bye to this Franken. So that is everything for this update. I do think I'm going to have at least one rollout for the next update, which is going to be this little Franken highlighter because it's so close to being gone. And then potentially this Rose Inc Eye Revival Eye Cream. I think I can probably get that done. Can't swear to it, but it is going to be very, very close. I would like to have at least one rollout every single update. It just makes it a little bit more fun. So yeah, I think I'm going to be able to do that. Definitely go check out Misty, the co-creator. She is going to be listed down below, and there's going to be a spreadsheet of everyone else that has joined in. If you want to join in, you do not have to be a part of the Fantastic Ladies Facebook group. I have all of the information down there in my description box. It's just kind of total roulette. You roll to get the prompts that you want to bring in. The spreadsheet's all down there, so there's no need to even access the Facebook group in order to get in on this. All right, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.